drowning in a sea of Trustpilot reviews and desperate for actionable insights. Let's transform the chaos into clarity by learning how to effectively scrape data from Trustpilot. First, you'll need to choose your web scraping tool. Several browser extensions and software options are available. Many offer free trials so you can experiment and find one that suits your needs. Once you've selected your tool, navigate to the Trustpilot page you want to scrape. Whether it's a specific company's review page or a category listing, activate your chosen scraper and use its point-and-click interface to select the data you need. Usually this includes review text, ratings, dates, and reviewer information. Configure the scraper to handle pagination. This means ensuring it automatically navigates through all the review pages, not just the first one. This ensures you collect a comprehensive dataset. Start the scraping process and let the tool work its magic. The duration will depend on the amount of data being extracted. Once the scraping is complete, export the data into a usable format like CSV or Excel. This allows you to easily analyze the data in spreadsheet software or import it into more sophisticated data analysis tools. Finally, it's time to analyze the data. Look for trends in sentiment, identify common issues raised by customers, and benchmark your performance against competitors. These insights can inform your product development, customer service strategies, and overall business decisions. With scraped Trustpilot data, you can turn customer feedback into a powerful competitive advantage.